Okay, we are going to create a Facebook lead form. This is the screen. You're going to come in lead ad forms, click create forms, and this is where you're going to be. We gave it a name, the line of business we're targeting, and then I like to use when I'm creating tests, I like to have the lead ad form connected to the ad. As you make more ads, it gets more complicated for most agencies. Running 2 or 3 ads, you can create a couple of forms. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to select higher intent, require leads to verify their phone number with a one-time passcode, and then we're going to leave it for optimize, and we're going to click next. In here, you're going to write up some copy, give it a headline, remove the M dashes from ChatGPT. Yeah, I know. This is the copy we're going to use. So each step you're going to greeting. This is relevant to the ad that I made for this agency. Okay. Here's the description that me and ChatGPT wrote for this. Yes, you can use ChatGPT to write ad copy and review and edit and all this fun stuff. So since your Facebook is now considers insurance a special ad category, you are restricted on what information you can collect in the Facebook lead ad forms. Not on your quote pages, but here on Facebook. Basically, you're going to go with email, full name, and phone number. Since we're doing the one-time password, phone number is not optional. Email's not optional either because we need all the contact info we can. There's other categories you can add, not a bunch though. And since we're not on the special it'll show this, but Facebook won't let you use it. You can get state, province, country, and that's about it. As far as if you're declaring the special category. Some people might still be getting through, but I tell everybody just flag the special category in the ad creation. Anyways, I'm rambling. We're going to click next. I'm going to grab the privacy policy. That is that. Now we're going to do the ending. I'm going to edit here. Sending them on this, they're going to send straight to it. And that is creating the Facebook lead ad form. So what we're doing, we'll go through all the parts again. Lead form, line of business, relevant ad information, and then I use year and month as my coding so I know when I made it. Higher intent, require leads to verify, leave the optimized as it is, put in a quirky fun headline, write a little bit of copy. It doesn't have to be super long, but it does need to have something. This is so you can call out. Again, just like in your ad, you should be calling people out. You're calling out who you want to pay attention to this. Next. Click next. Your privacy policy. I always leave the link text as it is. Next. And then the last screen is the review. So there you go. So go to your website. You can change this out. We will be changing this out to a more in-depth, a different form going forward, but this is to get launched. And great form. And that is it. How to create a lead ad form in 5 minutes.